Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Well, welcome back, guys. Try and keep this as just a quick video because it's going to be pretty damn easy. I've got this little thing here which is a stop-start button, and it's only a sticker this time. I know I made another video ages ago and I actually put a whole new cover on. This is just a sticker that goes over it, and it is, if you can see that, like, it's a cool carbon fiber looking red, which my other one was just plain red. The start is written a bit dodgy. Yeah, there it is, all shiny and cool looking. It seems to be like some sort of carbon fiber because it's on both sides and looks pretty cool. And it's got a little sticker to put on it. So let's assemble this and put it on. Should be super easy. Okay, shouldn't be any dust on there. Should just pop this off. Sticker in there. Like that. And then hopefully make sure the start button's got no dust on it. Get this off. Oh, that might be a bit tricky. I probably did that the wrong way, but anyway. Yeah, peel that off there. Should be nice and sticky now. Let's pop it on. Make sure it's the right way up, like that. Steering wheel's in the way. Anyway, we're gonna just pop it on like that. Line it up there. Make sure it's sort of level. I haven't got the key on me, so it shouldn't start. It'll probably just tell me that there's no key. Yeah, that's because I need to pop that on there. Yeah, there we go. That looks cool. Let's zoom out a bit here. Back out to here, where I sit. That looks cool. My last 325 had the red button there, and now this one's got like a carbon fibery looking red button. That's cool. I like it. Alright, well, that was super easy. We might wrap it up there. I was gonna say, I think I mentioned in my last video, I probably had a boost leak, one of my MHD videos. It was meant to be running 18 pound, it was only running 16 pound. I'm pretty sure I found the boost leak, so I've ordered a new part. It's the J pipe that comes up out of the intercooler. That I'll explain that in another video, but anyway, stay tuned for that. And I'm sweating on everything here. It's so hot, it's ridiculous. But anyway, we're in Australia here and it's Christmas tomorrow, so Merry Christmas to everyone. And I guess my little start button's Christmassy colours is red. It's again a little gimmick, but anyway, hopefully that'll stay on there for years and never fall off, hopefully. Yeah, Merry Christmas. And it's hot in Australia for Christmas. I know, I wish I was in Canada, but yeah, anyway, I've been back home for like 5 years now. So thanks very much for watching. This is a super easy little video. If you want to share this around and throw us a like, leave a comment, subscribe, whatever. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.